The Cultural Association, Balancing Act, based in Venice, Italy, presents The Art of Mime, a project that promotes this wonderful artistic figure through videos and other activities. If you would like to get in touch with us concerning the project, please write to us using the email contact written here below, in the description of this video. The word mime comes from the Greek mimos, which means imitator, actor. Mime has always existed in the history of human beings. The use of gesture to imitate nature, animals, and people's behaviors has always been one of the most direct tools to communicate and bring people from a community together. From the mime and mimicries of African tribes to Australian Aborigines to the Greek Aeschylus, Sophocles, Euripides, Aristophanes, and Menander, and the Romans Livius Andronicus, Plautus, Terence, Titianus, Seneca the Younger. In India, the Natya goes back to the earliest civilization. It is the theatrical dance art devoted to the enactment of divine epics, with an elaborate system of body postures, hand gestures, and foot movements. China has probably the most ancient pantomime history in the world, starting from the early religious rituals. Many of the movements employed by dances originated from the martial art techniques. Zhuodai became a general term used interchangeably with Baxi to describe popular entertainment during the Han Dynasty. They were kinds of variety shows featuring mimes, jugglers, magicians, acrobats, song, musical recitals, and martial art demonstrations. In Japan, the no drama, combining a gesture language with its song and intoned text, became famous. It used three basic roles: the old man, the woman, and the warrior. Kijin developed as a sort of intermission and comic relief between the solemn, no acts. Kabuki originated as an entertainment for the common people. Comic dance is performed in the early 1600s by groups of women. It features dance, song, mime, colorful costumes, heavy makeup, and lively, exaggerated movements. Long before the 17th century, Europe had seen the start of a vitally important theatrical movement. Characters with some similarity to those of the ancient Roman mimes were appearing in a new form. The Roman Papus, Macus, and Buccio relate to the 15th century Pantaloon, Clown, and Punchinello. Harlequin recollects to the god Mercury. The Italian and Sicilian Commedia dell'arte spread its influence all through Europe. Harlequin, Pierrot, and Columbine. In France, mime took on greater importance thanks to the influence of the Commedia dell'arte.